Gum 525 pH Technique Deep Clean Toothbrush, Compact Soft Bristles, Item 525 Professional Samples, 12 count. Removes dental plaque and helps prevent the development of tooth decay and gum diseases by cleaning the hard-to-reach areas above, below, and along the gum line and between the teeth. Independent testing has shown that the uniquely designed tapered bristles reach several times deeper into places where plaque hides compared to normal round-ended bristles. The unique quad grip handle helps you brush the most critical areas and enables the bristles to reach the plaque that other brushes leave behind. The unique tapering of the bristles means that their tips are ultra-narrow to squeeze into the crevices where plaque hides and normal bristles cannot reach. Colors vary. Material type: rubber. Top reviews from the United States. Best toothbrushes if you have sensitive or receding gums. I usually get these from my dentist's office, but they were out last time, so I found them on Amazon and bought them. I really can hardly stand anything else.